Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I am discussing about a website which you can earn money easily. Before we get into video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. So in this video I'm sharing another work from home opportunity. This is an online based type of position and this is great. If you are into tutoring or teaching, if you have experience in teaching, or even if you don't have much experience and teaching or tutoring, this would be a great opportunity for you. So this has come from iTutor Group. And they hire tutors to teach English or speak English online to students in Asia. So basically they will connect teachers from across the globe to students in Asia. And you can join a fast-growing world of online educators with iTutor Group. The teaching requirements. They welcome anyone with a passion for teaching. To join they have minimum requirements, which includes you must speak native English. You must have a bachelor's degree or higher. You will also need a certification in TESOL or equivalent. Now if you don't have TESOL and you have a bachelor's degree and you speak native English, you can always take a course. There are courses online that will enable you to be certified. So you can go to a company called Magic Ears and they provide 120-hour advanced TESOL course online. And this course that they provide only costs $20. Okay, so it's pretty affordable. And this course that they provide will certify you for TESOL or TEFL, which would be great to apply for tutoring positions. Okay, so again this is iTutor Group and you will need bachelor's TESOL or equivalent. And you must have at least 1 year recognized teaching experience. Commitment of 5 peak hours per week. And a computer with Windows or Mac OS. So you must have a computer with Windows or a Mac computer. So the benefits for working for this company is an online tutor or teacher is flexible schedule. You get to set your own schedule. Then what you can work as many hours as you like to earn as much as possible. You can make between 18 to 34 per hour. Their tutoring platform is available 24/7. So again you can choose whatever time you would like to work. And of course you get the benefit of working from home. And you get to meet people from all walks of life. From the comfort of your home. You can get in touch with various cultures via their platform. They also provide 24-hour scheduling support for guidance and assistance. So you will not be alone. Their teacher support team is also on standby to answer all your questions that you may have. It's very easy to get started and signing up to become a tutor. For iTutor Group you'll be teaching juniors ages 5 to 18 and preschool or kindergarten students, elementary students, and teenagers 18. And up university students, working professionals or managers. And parents or retired workers. So again this is a great opportunity. If you have experience they only need at least 1 year experience of teaching or tutoring, and again you can earn 18 to 34 an hour with iTutor Group. All information will be posted in the link in the description section of this video, including other resources to help you to get started and working from home. So make sure you check out all the links in the description section below this video. And thank you again for joining me on another video. I'll see you next time. Happy work from home. Bye.